Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amafenza TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Remo Stars 1. I'm joined by Upujabu.
Hey, Stibo.
Fede.
How's it, me, bra?
Ngimnandi.
Nat. Stibo.
Yeah.
Uqoke mangikupheka ne?
Njengesandayo.
Oh. Action essay.
Politically.
Ngithi hayi lo muntu lo ngibona iCap green, ngibona iskipa green. Ngithi hayi Herman Mashaba. Action essay.
Izintonyana ze-sports take.
Yeah, no, ngiyabona manje mase ngifunda ibhaliwe ukuthi sports take what siya understand. So Stibo, kule game ye Sundowns.
Yeah.
You see iSundowns ungayiblame ngazo zonke izinto.
Yes.
But Stibo man ufuna ukungilaga and I understand.
Okay.
And it is an interview.
Yeah, okay.
Mara ufuna ukungihleka Stibo.
Ngisacabanga naye action essay yabo. Tivele ngibana naye.
Yeah, hayi mangena ngithi action essay. Ngithe le ndoda ihambile musi. Yeah, mara Stibo. Yeah. Awemen Mashaba speta.
Sekahlohla.
Sithi yahambi presenter yami.
Sekapochile.
Wasipocha kanjalo siya kuma elections next year.
Uyazi kuba njalo.
Yeah.
Sure.
Noma ungayiblame nga anything iSundowns.
Sure, Puja.
But they will win games.
True.
Critical games.
Yeah.
But maybe before sifika lapho ke you see I team mayenze particularly from a CAF perspective. Mawube ne number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4.
Sure.
Mina iview yami ukuthi lawo ma team automatically they need to qualify for ama group stages.
Yes.
You know why you do that? Wenzela lokho ukuthi ungatholi 4 teams ezidlale ku final na ku semi final.
Yeah.
Because football is football.
Yes.
Ungathola ukuthi lama teams they are knocked out kuma preliminary stages.
Rounds, yeah.
So to protect your dignity for that particular cup, at least keep the 4.
They must.
Keep the 4. Monga cheka na ma Euro. They will also do that. Lao ma team awadlala ama preliminary rounds. Automatically they qualify because ukusuka from la usuke khona to reach the semi-finals and the final of that of ECAF.
Yeah.
It's not by fluke.
True.
It would have taken you a lot of hard work to arrive there.
Definitely.
So I'm saying ku CAF mhlambe noma ningayiboni but think about it.
True.
Because now Pirates lose a 3-0. You might find the Pirates ongasayitholi ku CAF at a later stage because he eliminated kuma preliminary rounds. So going back to equation yakho Sundowns, I'll say much as they are not doing well, but they will always get results.
Why?
They will give you results.
Why?
Sundowns noma ingadlali kahle. Abantu they can say whatever that they saying, but that team will give you results.
Yeah.
Ibheke naku la kule log yethu.
Yes.
They are not performing well.
Yeah.
Maunga checka into a piano and Shushain bit by bit is fading away.
I say.
But they will get you results.
Yes.
And if you can check in our PSL now, they are number 1.
Yeah.
So that shows Uguti, much as we are not playing well as a team, but let's get the results.
Yeah, correct.
So that's what we like about the Mamelodi Sundowns. Much as we can say, hey, what, school me dori, but on that particular issue, I know, bahamba pambi.
But home.
So, siza kule Pirates because these are the CAF teams that we're playing, including Kaizer Chiefs. Pirates idlale ku eCongo, bedlale DRC.
Yes.
Now, you didn't see the game today.
Yeah.
even on YouTube, you didn't see the game.
Ayikho ndawo.
Now, the issue is one. The situation that side is hostile. I know Pirates fans might say, no, but why did we lose 3-0? But you must also ask yourself a question. Why didn't we see the game? Yabo?
Yeah.
Yeah, that on its own is an issue. Because one, there's a political instability in a country.
Okay.
Now we're talking about the country where 13 of our soldiers has been killed by M23, which are the rebels.
Oh, terrorists.
Yeah. Yabo?
Yeah.
So uma ungacheka such situations, psychologically that might have played into the psychology of the players as well.
Yes.
So yes, we can blame the players ukuthi why sidliwe 3, but also look into the conditions. Why you didn't see the game? You didn't see the game because kune civil war in that country. Yabo? But let's allow Pirates to come back. And then basichazele ukuthi kwenzakeleni. But I know ukuthi we have lost the game based on the set pieces.
Okay.
Which is why I'll say kuwo wonke mawunga-check i-pyramids ukuthi sishaye. Isishaye ngokuthi we didn't do well masifika kuma set pieces.
Yeah.
But I'm hoping and I know ukuthi the boys will come back.
Yeah.
Because in that environment, I mean they went to Congo probably during the week, and they are coming back tonight.
Yeah.
They are coming back tonight because the country there is hostile.
Unrest.
So abafana bethu abayijwayelanga leyo environment.
Yeah.
So we need to give them credit ukuthi boys come back and play these boys Orlando. And I know for the fact that we'll come back.
Yeah.
We are not out. This is the first leg. There's a second leg.
True.
The second leg give you the opportunity as a team to actually come back.
Yeah.
So I'm definitely sure that they will come back.
Yes.
Yes. And then there's Kaizer Chiefs also that was playing Nesimba.
Yes.
Also Kaizer Chiefs bedlala Nesimba yase DRC. Igame yabo was not televised. So it goes back to what I've said before. Ukuthi the political instability didn't allow even Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ngaveza ama game wabo.
Yeah.
But I'm hoping ukuthi nabo because they played 0-0 ukuthi when they get back here they will do the right thing. But qualify bangena kuma group stages. Yeah. And then the last one is Thibo. Is the issue of Ibafana Bafana. We're excited that we are going to America.
Yes.
As a country.
Yes.
Because the last time we went to any qualification World Cup was in 2002. 2010 we were there based on being the host.
Yes.
And then automatically we're given the opportunity to actually play.
Yeah.
But this time around, Sila last corner because of the hard work from the technical team, the boys that were selected. I was actually very disappointed to see prominent. And when we speak of prominent, we're talking about the prominent Kaizer Chiefs supporters singing Thibo. Ingoma zase Rwanda, national anthem yase Rwanda. That can be because there's this thing we call a patriotism. You know, when you are a South African, you are a patriotic of this country. You anything that this country do, you follow you support. So I was disappointed to see prominent because the prominent supporters of Kaizer Chiefs were supposed to tell their fans, so you can't be practicing in national anthem yase Rwanda uzuyazi word by word. I mean word by word. They were singing that we are not supporting that Bafana because Hugo Bros undermined our team and even our players are not there. But let me tell you something. You see, World Cup is going to play next year. Now, in the midst of that, because it's between now and next year, somebody from Kaizer Chiefs can raise a hand and say, I'm willing to play. And ungenze ukuthi few players from Pirates or Sundowns baya dropper in terms of performance.
Yes.
What are we going to do? We're going to use the very same players ababuya Kaizer Chiefs. Badlale lapha ku World Cup. So the possibilities are that we might have qualified, yes. But it doesn't necessarily mean that the same players that we're playing now are going to play in a World Cup.
Yes.
Possibilities are that certain Chiefs players might raise their hands and they can find themselves playing in a World Cup. Lastly, Stibo,
Sure.
our team manager. Our team manager failed in as much as the dog of 3 point is concerned. So we're saying to SAFA, yes, we have qualified, but let's deal with consequence management. Now, when we deal with consequence management, we're trying to say whoever that committed an error, in as much as Tebogo Mokoena yellow card is concerned, should be brought to book.
Yes.
You know?
Yes.
Yes, we have qualified, but we can't leave this unchallenged.
Yeah.
Bring that person, let's deal with the issue, let's hear why he failed to actually do his work and see that this person is actually on 2 yellow cards.
Yeah.
And then the last one, the issue of our batin.
So you quickly.
No, angikhohlwanga ulona uKenny.
Yeah.
Our minister of sports.
Yes.
You don't write letters to FIFA. What? Wait for an investigation from SAFA. Because the chap is excited, is writing letters. I've seen about 2 letters already.
Yeah.
Addressing the other one to FIFA, addressing the other one to CAF.
Yeah.
But I'm saying wait for SAFA to give us a directive as to where are they in terms of the investigation. Once the investigation would have been concluded, then you can write those letters. But for now, don't be excited. We're going to America. All of us were excited. But relax.
Yeah.
Mackenzie.
Yeah.
You know, but wait for our internal processes to unfold. Then you can write those letters.
I will say it. I will say it.